Is your feng shui real or fake? How do you tell the difference? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about feng shui and what's real, what's fake, and how do you tell the difference? If it hasn't been calculated based on your birth information, it's not real. Or at least it's not real thorough. You can have some very high-level basics around do this or don't do that are generalizations. Where to put your bed, where to put your desk as an overall rule. Generalizations, not really rules. But if you're working with a consultant that doesn't use your birth information, they are not doing real feng shui, or they're not doing a full feng shui evaluation for you. They give only generals, like every office must have a water feature, or every fill in the blank, front door, bedroom, whatever. There's all sorts of them out there. If what they're giving you is generalizations and providing remedies, it's likely fake. If they're offering remedies like water feature because you have an office, it's definitely fake. If it includes anything other than the 5 elements as remedies, it's fake. Especially if they're trying to sell you something that is their specific solution. Like these energy coins, or this bagua mirror, or this lucky bamboo. Anything with colored animals is not real feng shui. If they tell you they are practicing black sect or pyramid school feng shui, or they don't follow the rules of feng shui, or they've made up their own feng shui, that's all fake feng shui. Those have all been invented in the last 50 years or so, whereas traditional feng shui is several thousand years old and does use your birth information to calculate specifically your energy frequency, and it uses the information of your home to calculate the energetic frequency and match them together. And those are 5 real quick ways for you to tell if your feng shui is fake or real. If they don't use your birthday, it's fake. If they only use generalizations, it's fake. If it includes a bunch of things other than the 5 elements, it's fake. If they try to sell you some specific solution that you can only get through them, like colored animal figurines or bagua mirrors or anything that is not a traditional feng shui remedy, it's fake. And if they tell you they practice black sect or pyramid school feng shui, it's fake. If you want help with the feng shui of your space, please schedule a complimentary design consultation at peaceandprosperityalignment.com, and we can have a real conversation about your space and your feng shui so that you know what you're implementing is real feng shui and you're not being taken for a scam. Before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!